Welcome back for another episode of Knitting, Science, and Craft. Today we're going to learn how to PFB. First we're going to purl without dropping the stitch off of the left needle. Now we're going to insert the right hand needle into the back of the stitch. And we're going to purl again, creating 2 stitches. Now we're going to work another. We're not going to drop the stitch off, we're going to insert it into the back of the stitch. And we're going to purl again. Thanks for watching Knitting, Science, and Craft.